Okay, this is the Atlas origami dart. It flies just like the Black Knight and it has a similar range, except this is a little more stable and it's much easier to make, and it's folded from a square. This isn't for any world record or anything like that, it's just for fun. It can get out there quite a bit. I've had this fly about 212 feet, so that's still really good. So to fly, I'd hold it right about there, and to balance it, you know, give you a few test throws, I'd grab it right there and get a light toss, and just adjust the wings. You can use an A4 sheet of paper and cut the square from it. That works pretty good, 100 GSM. Or to get the most performance out of it, you can use this drawing paper, and you trim it to 25 centimeters. So that's going to put the plane, the overall weight, the same as 100 GSM A4 paper here. So it's about the same. Even though it says 104 GSM, it's going to still be close to the same overall weight. So this is a relatively simple model. I'm not going to explain anything because there's no real need for me to do that, because you can see what I'm doing. There's no reason for me to verbally explain what's happening because you're witnessing it on video. I don't understand why anyone would want to do that, but anyways, so without any further ado, let's get started. So basically what you want to do is just fold from this corner to that intersection right there. And this edge will line up on this line. You want to be careful with this particular crease right here, because you don't want that to be bent. You want that edge to be as straight as possible, because that's going to be the wingtips. So you're going to need to have that as straight as you can possibly get it. Don't over crease it, and don't crease it too little either. Same thing with the side. So you want to keep this point as sharp as you possibly can. And be careful when you're creasing this, because like I said before, you want to keep this edge here as straight as you can possibly get it. So you keep that point as sharp as you can get it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open this out. See, there's a little pocket right there. And slide this in. Helps it to get through this. Push that all the way in as tight as you can get it. Fold that over, and that's going to lock it into place. So you really don't need to mess with the area lines too much, just a little bit. And when you're flying it, to balance it, I grab it right here. When you're flying, I grab right about there. So to balance it, you can just grab it right there and give it a light toss and see, you know, if it veers off to the left or the right. And if it does, and you just take the, you know, the corresponding edge and just, you know, barely touch it like that. You don't want to grab it too much. And you want to have just the right amount of lift, so you don't want the plane to pull up too high, because if you do, it'll stall out. But if you don't have enough lift in the back, the airplane will tend to spin. So when it starts spinning, you want to just adjust the rear edges of the wings here to give it a little bit of lift, and it'll help balance it out. So that's it.